National Geographic Readers, Rocks and Minerals by Kathleen Widener-Zofeld. Rocks are everywhere. Walk outside and look around. You may see rocks right under your feet. Are they gray or black, tan or brown? They might be green, blue, white, pink, or even red. Or maybe they sparkle with lots of different colors. Pick up the rocks. Do they feel smooth or rough? Are they heavy to hold, or do they feel light in your hands? Rocks look and feel the way they do because of the minerals in them. What's a rock's favorite way to travel? On a rocket! Amazing minerals. All rocks are made up of minerals. Each mineral has its own special shape called a crystal. Geologists have found many minerals on Earth. Some minerals are easy to find. Others are hard to find. Words rock. Crystal, the shape a mineral takes in a rock when the rock forms. Geologist, a scientist who studies rocks. Easy to find. Quartz, mica, feldspar. Hard to find. Emerald, sapphire, gold. Mineral mashup. Some rocks are made of just one mineral, but most rocks are made of two or more. The mineral gold is often mixed with quartz. Limestone is made of one mineral. Pegmatite is made of many minerals. What is a rock's favorite type of music? Rock and roll! Rock groups. Rocks can form in 3 different ways. So, geologists put rocks in 3 groups. 1. Igneous. 2. Sedimentary. 3. Metamorphic. Words rock. Igneous rocks. Rocks that are formed by the cooling of super hot rocks. Magma. Hot, melted rock that forms inside the earth and comes out as lava. 1. Igneous rocks. Most of the rocks on our planet are igneous rocks. Igneous rocks begin to form deep inside the earth. Here, the rock is very hot. It is called magma. Magma turns into igneous rock when it cools. Sometimes magma cools slowly underground. When volcanoes erupt, magma pushes up from underground. Above ground, it cools quickly. Granite forms when magma cools slowly underground. Obsidian forms when lava cools quickly above ground. These basalt rocks in Ireland were formed millions of years ago by lava from a volcano. Magma that flows from a volcano is called lava. Sandstone is made up of grains of sand. Words rock. Sedimentary rocks. Rocks that are formed when many small pieces of rock are glued together. 2. Sedimentary rocks. Rocks are broken into small pieces by wind, rain, and ice. These pieces are called sediment. Sediment is washed or blown into lakes and oceans. The sediment sinks. It builds up in layers on the bottom. Minerals mixed in the water glue the rock together. This is one way sedimentary rock is formed. Shale is made of layers of mud pressed together. Conglomerate is made of many things, including sand and pebbles. 3. Metamorphic rocks. On Earth, we stand on huge slabs of rock called tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, but most of the time we can't feel them move. When plates move past each other or crash into each other, the rocks are heated up and squeezed. This changes the rocks. They become metamorphic rocks. Words rock. Metamorphic rocks. Rocks that have been changed through heating and squeezing. Sandstone, sedimentary, becomes quartzite, metamorphic. Limestone, sedimentary, becomes marble, metamorphic. 7 cool rock facts. 1. The ancient Egyptians built the pyramids with limestone thousands of years ago. They still stand today. 2. Diamonds are the hardest minerals on Earth. They can even cut steel. 3. The softest mineral in the world is talc. You can crumble it with your fingers. 4. Some pumice rocks are so light they float on water. 5. The moon is made mostly of igneous rock. 6. A geode looks like a plain, dull rock on the outside. Crack it open, and there might be beautiful crystals hidden inside. 7. Obsidian feels as smooth as glass. How do you help a pebble fall asleep? You rock it. The rock cycle. Our Earth is like one giant rock factory. Old rocks are breaking into smaller and smaller pieces. New rocks are forming all the time. On Earth, some things happen over and over again in the same order. This is called a cycle. Fossils. Sometimes shells, bones, or other parts of living things get covered in sediment. Water seeps into tiny spaces in the bones or shells. Minerals in the water are left behind. The bones or shells turn into fossils. Fossils can be found in some sedimentary rocks. How do stones do their laundry? On the rock cycle. Gemstones. Gemstones have beautiful crystal shapes and colors. They are often made into jewelry. A diamond in rock can be made into a dazzling ring. A ruby in rock is cleaned and cut. Then it is a gem. Here to stay. Look around you at the buildings and roads. Do you see rocks? They are everywhere. Bricks are made of clay minerals. Steps can be made of sandstone. Limestone can be used to make concrete for sidewalks. Many things we build with rocks will still be standing years and years from now. The walls of the Washington Monument are made mostly of white marble. The monument is the tallest stonework structure in the world. Stump your parents. Can your parents answer these questions about rocks? You might know more than they do. Answers are at the bottom of page 31. 1. What comes out of a volcano? A. Pebbles. B. Lava. C. Sediment. D. Water. 2. The cycle of old rocks turning into new rocks is called A. The mineral cycle. B. The sedimentary cycle. C. The fossil cycle. D. The rock cycle. 3. What do you call a scientist who studies rocks? A. An astronomer. B. A biologist. C. A rock star. D. A geologist. 4. In what type of rock can you sometimes find fossils? A. Igneous. B. Sedimentary. C. Metamorphic. D. Lava. 5. Beautiful rock crystals can be made into A. Glitter. B. Rock candy. C. Gems. D. Toys. 6. What are rocks made of? A. Minerals. B. Seeds. C. Living things. D. Wood. 7. What gives a rock like this piece of malachite its color? A. Minerals. B. Paint. C. Seaweed. D. Crayons.